Last year, I made a goal for myself.
My one goal for 2018 is to reach 100,000 subscribers.
And I failed. For a while, I questioned myself. I lost my confidence. I didn't know where I was going. I felt lost. Then, out of the blue, this opportunity comes along.
I got to work with a huge global brand, Mazda. Freaking made it to the Arctic Ocean. Holy moly!
And then I realized something. Though I didn't reach my goal, I reached something far, far greater. I had the chance to do something that I love doing the most, chasing stories around the world and making a living out of it.
You made it!
That's the dream. Funny how journeys are like that. You start off with a destination, only to go through unexpected turns and detours that make you think the end goal is impossible. But you keep going. You keep pushing, fighting, never give up, and before you know it, you end up where you were meant to be.
Woo! It's so nippy. On the Arctic Ocean. Woo! I'm living the dream.
To live a good story.
That's what I do on Instagram.
That's what it's about. Here's to the new year. Here's to new destinations. And here's to the journey ahead.